Have you ever inhaled helium and sounded like a cartoon character? But why does this happen? It's not magic, it's science. Helium is much lighter than air, which affects how sound waves travel. Normally, your voice travels through air, which is mostly nitrogen and oxygen. But helium is less dense, so sound waves move much faster. This makes the higher-pitched frequencies of your voice more pronounced, making you sound squeaky. But don't worry, helium doesn't change your vocal cords, just how sound moves through the air. Cool, right? Just don't inhale too much. Your body needs oxygen. Like and follow for more fun science facts.